Halo, apa kabar? I'm Bryan Pratama Putra, Tourism Marketing Management student, Indonesia University of Education, Bandung, West Java, Indonesia. ASEAN for me, not just an association, but ASEAN is a place that have a lot of opportunity and give me to live in peace, harmony, caring, and sharing with each other. Like my philosophy, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, that means unity in diversity. ASEAN also have a much of different, but we live together in the unity. That's why I so proud to become Indonesian and a part of ASEAN. The opportunities of ASEAN is becoming place for us as youth to increase our knowledge, our skill, and get a lot of experience through preparing ourselves for a better future. And also ASEAN can give me a chance to contribute about our country's progress, because of ASEAN give me a positive impact to realize our dreams. What will I do to empower youth? I would like to increase confidence and tolerance in youth self, because I believe with the grit of confidence, tolerance, and understanding in youth self, we can realize the ASEAN motto that is one vision, one identity, and one community. Simple thing that I want to do to increase the tolerance and confidence in every youth, I would like to hold a show that in the show is showing about the culture and art of every member ASEAN countries, and show how beautiful they have and beautiful places in around ASEAN. And I would like to show the bazaar in this event to become the youth creativity to improve their skill. And I hope the profit of this event, a portion profit, will share to other people that need. And I would like to join a local volunteer throughout ASEAN, especially in my country, Indonesia. I will help them and ask many people as I can to increase their concern about environment and other people who need, with what they have and with what they can do, like a simple thing about tolerance. Why you should be choose me as ambassador? Because with my experience in 2017 as tourism ambassador and in 2019 as food ambassador, I believe I can do it. Becoming an AY ambassador will fulfill one of my dreams, to reach more people, especially to empower youth. I hope and I believe in being able to representative youth. And I'm so inspired to be youth that not just stand for himself, but to stand for other people that cannot stand in their own. Terima kasih.